Okay, so I finally have an update on the Mabobe Shariati case. This is a case that I discussed earlier in the year. It involves a foreclosure on a very expensive house. She used different sources and methods to try to avoid the foreclosure and eviction. She lost the house, but she lost a lot of money in the process and was sentenced to 30 days in jail. She recently appealed that decision, and I finally have the result of that appeal. Spoiler, she lost. So let's read here. Quote, to the extent that Shariati argues that she should have been allowed to introduce evidence of her husband's ownership interest in the property, that evidence was not relevant to the district court's findings as to her violations of the bankruptcy court orders. Moreover, any evidence concerning her husband's interest in the property was properly addressed in the transfer avoidance proceeding, and Shariati failed to appeal that order. Second, Shariati claimed that the district court erred in finding that she waived her right to counsel. Now, this is a funny one. She's arguing that she didn't get a fair trial because she didn't have a lawyer. Quote, our review of the record reveals that the district court fully complied with FREDA in granting Shariati's motion to proceed pro se after a thorough hearing. Ms. Shariati has filed more than a dozen pleadings on her own behalf and unequivocally informed undersigned counsel that she wishes to proceed without counsel. At trial, Shariati again insisted on self-representation. District court conducted a FREDA inquiry and allowed Shariati to proceed pro se with standby counsel. Shariati clearly, unequivocally, and knowingly waived her right to an attorney, and therefore the district court did not err in allowing her to proceed pro se. Accordingly, we affirm Shariati's conviction and sentence. We dispense with oral argument because the facts and legal contentions are adequately represented in the materials before the court, and argument would not aid the decisional process. So yeah, she lost.